Hello guys, today I will show you how to jailbreak your PS4 version 11.00. First thing, go to the setting and make sure your network is connected. Now go to your PC or laptop and open the browser and search the URL. Then the page loads. After this, type your DNS address and your PS4 IP address in the search bar. And then press connect. It will take to you another page where you see 3 jailbreak options. So I go with version 11.00, click it, then show golden hand 11.00 is done. Now go back to your PS4 and you will see it automatically jailbreak the PS4. Scan golden hand version 2.3 loaded. Now let's play some games. As you can see, it successfully run. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.